Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am transforming myself into an Instagram baddie, an IG baddie.
Hey ladies, post for me. Hashtag slim thick, no.
The only difference is I do have a tummy, I'm not slim thick, and my ass is not.
They ask you how you are.
Anyway, I'm doing this video specifically because I need desperate help. Because honestly, I feel like everybody's trying to test me. Everybody's trying to get on my fucking last nerve for some reason. And I'm constantly having mental breakdowns. And she's not okay. And she needs to at least look okay if I'm not feeling okay. Because you know what they say, if you look good, you feel good. So we're gonna test that out. And what better way to feel and look good other than being an IG baddie? Let's do that. Anyway, so on that very note, obviously I'm gonna ask ChatGPT because AI is very trending about how I can turn into a baddie step by step. For starters, they say wake up and hydrate.
5 to 10 minutes. Start your day by drinking a glass of water.
Take a few deep breaths or do a quick 5-minute stretch to get your blood flowing. Now the thing is, I'm already awake and at my dad's house, so we're gonna be pretending and recreating that. So let's do that.
Rise and shine.
Okay, anyway, I'm done freaking pretending to sleep. But the next thing they said was I'm not flashing. The next thing they said was to drink water and hydrate. So that's exactly what I will be doing. I really feel like I am bleeding. I'm not sure, but I feel like it. Step 2 is staying hydrated. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Cheers.
As you stay hydrated.
Hi.
Hydrated.
Hydrated? Hydrated.
It's so cold and the water is so crisp. It feels so good. Like, I love it. I needed that, but I'm gonna make my bed as well, and I don't wanna just leave it messy, so I'm gonna fix that and I'll be back. Okay, step number 3 was stretching, so I'm gonna do exactly that. Now, should I do like the stretching I do at the gym? Probably. So let's do. Am I okay? That's like huge cracks. I think I am turning into a grandmother whose body is breaking. Literally, when I sleep, I crack my bones a lot. Okay, great. It's time for makeup. Now, the thing is, when I think of an IG baddie, the first person that pops up into my head is Cindy Kimberly because she is just that girl. Like, I remember years ago, I think Justin Bieber posted a picture of Cindy Kimberly. Since then, she blew up and stuff, and I love her. Like, I'm obsessed with her Instagram, her aesthetics, every single thing. The picture she posted, she had like colored lenses, like grey contacts. So I'm thinking, should I go down that route and put lenses? But the problem is, the last time I did it, I looked like a freaking noggin. So I probably shouldn't. I should just be inspired by her makeup, her and like Madison. Although she's not an IG baddie, she's just a baddie in general. So I'll wet my beauty blender, set everything up, and we shall get started. So my beauty blender is wet. Let's look at the makeup inspo. Okay, so let's go on Pinterest. I should have probably prepared more, but it's me. Should I just look up like IG baddie makeup? They put lashes. So let's wait for that step. I'm excited for that. Let's just get started. I'm sure I'll like manage to cook up something, right? I can't be that bad. Like, I can be, but I'm not. This is the inspo. Also, my head is turning red. I don't know why. Like, I'm not okay. And I'm never okay. It's okay. It's more like Latina makeup. Also, should I do like I would really want to do it, so I probably will, like how to make like your Dyson hair, like once you do a Dyson blowout or something, making it last in human weather, especially if your hair is frizzy and stuff, how to make it last, because I finally cracked the code. Like, I haven't straightened my hair at all here. At all. It's just Dyson blowout and it lasted, which is great, and I think I'll do a tutorial on that because I needed it and it was never there. So I'm gonna do it for you guys. They also use concealer. Like, they use foundation, but I don't use foundation, so why is there a hair on my face? I think I found comfort in like talking in front of the camera, because at first I used to be so shy, you guys, like so shy. Words would not come out of my mouth. My mom, when she would watch my videos, she would be like, girl, like what? Why are you so quiet? You can barely speak. Like everybody was like, why aren't you opening your mouth? And I was, for some reason, I thought it would come very naturally to me. So in the beginning, I don't know what happened. I mean, I guess I was very conscious, but now I think the more I'm comfortable with you guys, मैं कुछ भी बकवास कर रही हूँ, I'm just dealing with it. Honestly. Next is blush, and obviously they do put like a good amount of blush. Also, you guys, I'm not kidding, planning to buy like the Rare Beauty blush in Hope. The dupe is literally this one from K Beauty. They are the exact, it's called the Sweetheart pink one from K Beauty, and Hope from Rare Beauty, literally the same. It's a dupe, I'm not even kidding. So if you want to save yourself money, go for it. I used to use it a lot, and I recently realized, because looking at my pictures, I'm like, it looks like I'm wearing the same blush. I am not, but like still, it looks like I'm wearing the same blush. Okay, blush is done. It's time for eyeshadow. Now, for eyeshadow, I'm not very sure, but I have this palette from Revolution. Inexpensive, really amazing, and I feel like these are the shades I need to create that smoky eye type of look that they have like over here. It's very cool toned, and I think it's perfecto. So let's try doing that. So here's the thing, I have two set of lashes. Now I have like the outer corner, like you know, my legs are cramping. You know what, we could try both, but the problem is I don't know how to put any of them on. So let's see how that works. I will be back. Okay, so I added lashes. Now the thing is, it's not the worst. Like, it's my first time adding lashes. It could have been like disgusting, pathetic, unbearable, bad, but it is okay, which is fine. So let me just do the rest of my face and then we'll do the lips, which is the main part. The reason I'm not doing like a makeup tutorial is because it is not. This is like a mess, to be honest. But you really can't expect me to be doing like perfect like step-by-step makeup tutorial, because I don't know what I'm doing, and it's going with the anyway, I'm going with the flow. If it happens, it happens, which honestly I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to be optimistic, I'm going to be positive, and not constantly keep having breakdowns on my videos, because that's so last season. Actually, I'm going to keep it real. If I'm having a breakdown, I will have a breakdown. You know what? It's in my freaking eye, which is great. You guys, why are you watching my videos? Like, thank you, but like, this is madness. Like, what am I even doing? You know what I need to do? I hope I'm not flashing, but I need a break, because why the hell am I cramping so badly? Because honestly, I think I should do my eyebrows, but if I do it, it'll be like too much. I did my eyebrows, oh god. I did my eyebrows for like Coco Berry, like the modeling course that I went for, with eyeliner. Literally eyeliner. Like, can you believe it? You have to be on some level of like madness to be doing your eyebrows with eyeliner. Honestly, eyelashes are growing on me. Okay, this angle is disgusting, horrible, but I kept it like this because if I keep it down, I may flash, and I'm not interested in that. So when I looked up at like ChatGPT, they said style your hair in a way that makes you feel confident, whether it's sleek and straight, voluminous curls, or a high ponytail. IG baddies are known for their well-kept hair, so try to make it fresh and styled every day. So we're gonna do like curls, kind of like make it very voluminous. So let's do that. I washed my hair yesterday, so it's like fresh only, which is great. I use this pen brush, it's amazing by the way. Okay, so my hair is quite short, and the reason is myself. I am to blame for that. Like, let's clap for me. I cut my own hair. We all know that never ends well. So basically, I decided to cut my own hair this one time. I was watching Blackwater, and I was like, you know what? I was like, you know what? I need a little bit of a trim. So I decided to do that. Now my mom was in her room, like where my mirror and my bathroom is. So I was like, I can't do it in front of her. She's probably gonna like yell at me. So I took kitchen scissors. My hair was completely dry. My hair is in the front. I'm looking at the mirror, okay? I'm cutting. My hair is dry. remember. Cutting, and then I realized I need to cut this as well. So this kept getting higher, this kept getting higher. I kept trying to match it. It became this short, and I was like, oh shit, how do I fix this? I was like, you know what, I'll just leave it. I styled it, whatever. My hair was teda like this, like it looks slanted, and I knew it was bad when my grandfather, who can't see, noticed that. So I was like, oh shit, game over, I need to get a haircut. I go to this salon, okay, and there's this man. I'm explaining to him what I want. He's like, do you want to add layers? Firstly, never add layers to short hair. Please don't do that. It is a disaster. He did that, and he's cutting my hair, and in the background he's going like, wow, so good, looks so great. So I'm like, yeah, that's amazing, probably looking amazing. My hair comes out this short, and I couldn't say anything, obviously. You know, I choke up on my words. I'm like, yeah, it's amazing, thank you. I left and I was so upset, so sad, screaming, crying, dying. So the hair is done. I don't know how much different I look. I think I look pretty different than I was like in the beginning versus now. Honestly, not bad. So now we're gonna go with the outfit. I have two options. I'm not sure what would look more like baddie, but I'm gonna show both of them to you. Hopefully I wear what you guys picked. If not, you're still seeing both of them, so it's fine. Okay, so this is option one. I think it's a little too much, like bottom and up, but I feel like this top is definitely giving thoda like baddie-esque, but not completely. So this was option one. I don't think this looks that great with this skirt. So I have option number two. Let's try that. I hope I don't look like a Roblox character. This is option number two. I definitely feel that it's much better, but I feel like this is giving more like a sweet girl. Obviously these things are not accessorized like fully, so you can't really get the bigger picture, but I think it's not bad. There's this, and I also have the dress, which honestly may be the winner. Thing I know for a fact is that all Instagram baddies smell like $1,000,000. So obviously if they look like $1,000,000, they're gonna smell really good. So the combination that I'm gonna go for today is dark blue. It's like a roll-on thing, which it lasts a very long time. I just put it on here and I add champagne toast, which is my go-to. Anyway, it's time to take some videos. Like, it's bright outside, love that, and it's currently 3:27, which is perfect. So let's take some videos and make some reels and